Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 8th quadrilaterals exercise 8.1 question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Now it is given that it is a quadrilateral in which the diagonals are equal, they bisect each other at right angles, and now we have to prove that it is a square. So let us write this. So it is given that in quadrilateral ABCD, we have in quadrilateral ABCD we have AC is equal to BD, that is diagonals are equal, and they bisect each other, that means OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, and they bisect each other at right angles also. Angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD, and each is 90 degrees. So it is given that these angles at O are 90 degree each. Diagonals bisect each other. They are equal, and OB is equal to OD, and diagonals are also equal to each other. And we have to prove that ABCD is a square. So we have to prove that it is a square. Now remember one thing, square is a parallelogram. So to prove that it is a square, we will first prove that it is a parallelogram, one thing. And square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So this question we have to prove in three parts. In first part, we will prove that it is a parallelogram. So to prove it, I will take triangle AOB and triangle COD. You can see they are congruent by SAS. So we will write this thing. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, we have OA is equal to OC. This is given. OB is equal to OD. This is also given. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is vertically opposite angles. So therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS, and therefore AB is equal to CD by CPCT, right? Also, we have this angle is equal to this angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. But they are alternate interior angles. And we know that when alternate interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. But they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, we have AB is parallel to CD. Now see, AB is equal to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and we know that when in a quadrilateral, a pair of opposite side is equal as well as parallel, it is a parallelogram. So we can write it like this from 1 and 2. From 1 we can say that they are equal, from 2 we can say that they are parallel. So we can write from 1 and 2, ABCD is a parallelogram. One pair of opposite side is equal as well as parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Now first part is over. It is a parallelogram. Now we have to prove that it is a square. A parallelogram is a square when its all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Right? Now we will take in triangle AOD and triangle COD. We have OA is equal to OC. This is given to us. Angle AOD equals to angle COD, each 90. This is actually also given. OD is equal to OD. This is common. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by SAS. Now, since triangle AOD and triangle COD are congruent, therefore we have AD is equal to CD by CPCT. Now, since this is a parallelogram, CD will be equal to AB, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. AD will be equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Or we can say we have all the sides will be equal. AD is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, CD is equal to AB. So, therefore, we have AB is equal to BC equals to CD equals to AD. All sides are equal. So till now we have proved that it is a parallelogram with all sides equal. But a parallelogram with all sides equal can be a rhombus also. So to prove that it is a square, we need to prove that the angles are 90 degree. So for that, in triangle DAB and triangle CBA, we have AD is equal to BC. This we have proved above. Here that all sides are equal. AB is equal to BA. This is common. Also, we have this BD is equal to AC. This is given. See, it is given to us कि AC is equal to BD. So, therefore, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA by SSS, and therefore we have angle DAB is equal to angle CBA by CPCT. But they are co-interior angles also. This is a parallelogram, or they are adjacent angles of parallelogram. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So, but they are adjacent angles of parallelogram. Adjacent angles of parallelogram. Therefore, we have angle DAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree, but they are equal. So, DAB plus DAB is equal to 180 degree. Twice of DAB is equal to 180 degree. So, DAB is 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So, if we have proved that one angle is 90 degree, all angles will automatically equal to 90 degree. So, therefore, ABCD is a square, right?